Hi guys, welcome back. So you guessed it, I'm back with another video showcasing some of the new products from Syberia's latest release. And of course it's Christmas in July all the way. So let's get into the goodies that I got. As always, when I'm doing these close-ups of the latest release from Syberia, I don't have it all. I will have a link down below for the website, so you can go check out the rest of the release, and it's really nice and beautiful, and they have all of those cute critters. I don't have those to share with you, but they are fantastic as always, so don't forget to check those out. There is also, this video is a part of blog hop, so there will be links down below for the blog hop as well, where you can win, I believe it's the entire release, but all the information will be at my blog. So let's start. I want to share this falling snow. It's a stencil. I don't know how much. I tried to switch my light here. Maybe it's better this way. Maybe I should cut it open so you can see how it looks. Sorry about the back sound, by the way. My kids are home. It's the summer vacation. Just got this in the mail. We are leaving for holiday vacation tomorrow, so I just wanted to get this part of the video filmed today. So you can see it's all of these snow. Really like it. You can see on the back how it will look as well. I love that with the packaging, when you can see how everything looks. And then we have this one. So this is a 4 set. This is called Angles Bells, and you can see some inspiration on the back. You can see all the amazing sentiments that you get as well, and all of these have coordinating dies, so you can see even these long strips has coordinating dies, and that is something I really appreciate. You can see all of the sentiments. You can see everything of that is included in this set, as well as this large piece. And you can see it also cuts out the little space between the bells here that could be hard to cut out when you are fussy cutting, so I appreciate that. There is also a hot foiling plate, if you like to do that instead of stamping. I want to play with this. I think it looks really cool. And then we have a layering stencil, so you can build this up without having to color it in. So I think that is neat. You can do it only like this. So sorry, my battery of my camera died. So you can see you can use it separately, or you can use it together with the other products. So that is a neat set. And then we have this large poinsettia, festive poinsettia. I hope the camera is picking up how large this is. This is a standard A2 size card front. You can see it will pretty much cover and be even bigger than a standard A2 size card. You can see the fantastic sentiments you got here. Happy New Year, greetings, Christmas, Merry Seasons, Happy, in 2 different fonts. We have Merry Christmas, B, you are in my heart this Christmas, for example. You can pair with other things. And you have solid stars, and the outline you have some berries and some leaves, and yeah, you can see an inspiration here on the back. Really cute. And of course there is also stencil pack. I believe it's no hot foiling plate that goes with this, but I'm not entirely sure. I have to go check the website for that. But you can see here it's all of these amazing stencils that you can use to color this in. And of course there is dies for all of the images in that set, so you can see how they will cut out. Really like that. And then we have some dies, and the first one is the sparkly flakes cover die. So this is how it looks. I love dies like this. You can see it cuts the pattern into the paper. I have to play with it to see exactly how it looks, but I believe that it more presses into the cardstock than it actually cuts it into it, if that makes sense. But I have to run it through to be like completely sure about that. It looks like that these larger stars might cut, and the smaller ones might only press into the cardstock. If I'm looking at this image, it looks like that it could be the case. But anyway, it's really pretty. I love cover plates like this. Then we have the large Merry Christmas die. So you can see it also has coordinating hot foiling plate that you can use. Really fun. You can see how that will look. Love it. And then there is also a smaller set. You can see all of these. Happy, Merry Christmas. Happy Christmas, I believe you can say as well. Joy, be merry. And then you have the shadow piece and the inside part of that. And then we have two really cute sets. This is the Jingle Bell Joy die sets. So this is how it looks when it all comes together. And these are a separate set called Party Bows. Really cute. And I cannot wait to play with this little set. You can see the embossing details on this. So it's a fun one. So that was a close-up look at some of the things that were released from Syberia this month. And as always, I'm so honored to be guesting for her, or Syberia Design, the company I should say, because I am always amazed of what they are bringing out. And I mean, it's always something fresh and new and fun to create with. So if you like to see the rest of the video, stay tuned, because I will be creating something with all of this. And if you like to see close-up shots and get a chance to win some of these prizes or some of these goodies, you can also visit my blog, as I said previously. So, see you in a bit. Bye! Hi and welcome back. I'm so happy that you decided to stay and watch the rest of this video. And I'm sorry if you hear something in the background. My family is on vacation and we're all home together. And I needed to get this voiceover done before we went up to Norland. I don't know if it's even a name, but where my or our relatives live, so we need to do this before we go. So this video is a part of, or this video isn't, but I have a blog post that is a part of a blog hop to celebrate Syberia's latest release, and it's Christmas in July all the way, and there will be a lot of hops going on this week, and I will be participating in them all, so you will see a lot of projects from me. I started off by using the beautiful Jingle Bells Joy die set, and there is two parts to the little bell and as well as the bell itself, and I bumped everything up with some foam tape just to create some dimension, and then I also cut the inside part there out of some darker cardstock and the lighter cardstock on top just to give it some more dimension. And for my sentiments I will be using this really large Merry Christmas die, and it's just fantastic in my opinion. To make my life a little bit easier, I used some liquid adhesive and just did half of the sentiment at a time. Always when I am creating cards, I am liking to put dimension on the back, so, and also to like contemplate on how I'm liking my clusters. I'm putting some present seal on top just to make sure that I like it, and then I can also save my projects a little bit of time if I like, just to like look at it again before I commit to adhering everything down. And for this I just decided that I liked it and went ahead and cut small strips of foam adhesive and went around the back of my sentiment and the sprigs and everything just to make everything look beautiful. And I really cut these super small. If you don't like doing this, you could always adhere it straight down, but I think the dimension really makes this card come to life. And I wanted my sentiment to be slightly angled, so I decided to use it. You can see here I will sort of slightly slide it to one of the sides, and then I will correct everything with my bells so that they hang straight so it looks nice. And you can see here my sprigs fell off, but it's okay, I will just tack them in there using some more foam adhesive just to bring some more dimension to this card. And here we have our bell, one to the side and one to the other side to correct everything so it looks nice. And for this I will also be using the pretty bows. I believe I will use it on the other card that we created. So there we go. I took some gold sprigs that also comes in this Jingle Bell Joy die set and just tacked them around my little cluster there, so you can see how it looks. It's soon done. I really like how everything is coming together here. And for our first card, that now will be our last card, I just have everything here up to the top, making sure that I like it before I commit to adhering everything, and I sped this up quite a lot just to make sure that I had everything the way I wanted it to be. And I had started off, you could see it in the previous bit of footage here, but I didn't like how it turned out, so I decided to start all over again. And then I know that I had everything in the exactly the right spot. So for the bells, I slightly overlapped the bells so it looked nice. I cut the pretty bows out of some gold matte cardstock. I really like that. I have used it throughout this video. It's from Alta New. Really like it. And then I cut off the overhang at the top here just to get a nice border at the top. And then I will attach this down, and you can see how everything looks. I did some double-sided foam to the back just because I think that also helps get the card looking nicely. You can see here how everything looks. And then I will also use some double-sided adhesive tape to my Merry Christmas set here, and I will slightly slide it under my bells. You can see I'm fiddling with it here, and then I can press everything down. And here we have our finished cards. I hope you liked this video and got inspired to create something with Syberia's latest release. I will have the link to my blog post down below if you'd like to check that out. And until next time, have a great day. Bye!